G'day and welcome back. Today is the 20th of June 2025 and I am currently on the balcony at Central Station. I just want to give you an update on the demolition of the Eddy Avenue Plaza buildings. It has all been sectioned off here with the construction hoarding. The demolition machine is here. It's been here since this morning, I think, or maybe the night before. Ready to demolish. They've started gutting a few of the buildings here. There's a funny sort of security here in the form of rats. Literally, I was just looking over here before thinking of what could I do to cover like a 10-minute video just up here, and I'm like, maybe I'll just film rats for 10 minutes because there's a heap of rats down here. Anyway, there's the claws, which will tear these buildings apart. They've dug the base of the lights up to, I guess, sever the power. I think they'll keep the trees. What I was saying before is down here there's a few rats just running around. If I hold the camera here just for a little bit, you'll be able to see them. Yeah, there you go. They probably feel safe because there's no crowd of people just wandering around. Oh dear. They have a forklift there, which is just to pick up all the bits and pieces, like the bollards and the concrete bollards and the all the construction hoarding here. As I said in the last update, I hope to be here when they actually start demolishing. Be an interesting video seeing them actually dig into the thing. Again, if you don't know, if you haven't seen my previous updates, I'll put the artist impression of what it's supposed to look like here. So the whole thing's going. So you see here with the brick wall, there's a bit of a step up here. It's actually all going to be leveled. So it's going to be one level area. Just walk up here and get a different angle. Just going to head downstairs now and just show you the area where it's all cordoned off. The best I can. If I face down looking at the tiles, it's just because I'm trying to dodge people. It is the afternoon peak, so hopefully you understand there. And righto. And I do apologise for the weird camera angles too. Oh dear. Okay, so here's the entrance to Central Station. Now on the wall here there's a bit of information of what's happening. If you want to pause the video and have a look at that and then resume when you're done. Alright, you got CJ's to the left and Central Squeeze and whatnot. Alright. So that whole area is cordoned off. Now I'll just show you around the front of the area. Yesterday there was just a chain wire fence just out the front here, but now there's the red wall. So this is Eddy Avenue here, you got the tram line. Sorry, didn't mean to drop that swear word there. Anyway, try to dodge people. Anyway, here we go. There's the front of it, all blocked off. It'll be like this until until work's complete, pretty much. Righto. Just trying to show the top of that building. You got the ramp here, which will go up part of the way. No lighting here. All the power's been cut off to these old buildings. Obviously, be a little bit awkward if you're trying to demolish a building with the power on. But anyway, righto. But yeah, I don't know. Sorry, this video was a bit everywhere. If there was works happening, or if there was workers sort of just carting the material around or setting up things, I could have just pretty much stayed up on the balcony and just filmed 10 or so minutes worth of that. But yeah, but I'm hoping that there's going to be an opportunity to film demolition, and I might actually be able to get because they're small buildings and things will change pretty quickly. I might even be able to get a couple of updates done in a day. However, if that's how it works, fantastic. If that's not how it works, then hey, I do what I can do. However, as long as the construction hoarding doesn't go up on the balcony up there, just in case there's like shrapnel and things like that flying around, which I don't think there will be. But anyway, if there's no construction hoarding up there, we've got a good vantage point. So anyway, I think that might be it. And you've got the Atlassian building there too, which I might do a video about another day. I've done a lot of it on Abandoned Oz, but I've had a couple of people ask on Sydney Trains vlogs, like, do a video on it for us. So I might do that as well, because it's to do with Sydney Trains vlogs, it's to do with the railway. It's a massive building right next to the railway station. It'll be towering over it. So anyway, that's all for this video. It's starting to get a bit dark and the video quality is starting to get a bit crappy because of that darkness. So thank you for watching. Please give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share the video, all that good stuff, and I will catch you very soon. Goodbye for now.